Hi programmers. So here is my honest review on Descript. If you are new to Descript and don't know what is Descript, is an online video editor where you can upload your video and it will help you edit your video based on the script of your videos. Okay. So the interface will look like this one. I will go through one by one all the feature of this one. So please make sure you have to watch entire video and ask question in the comment section below if you have any. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. So that will make a lot of difference to my channel. Thanks for watching. Okay, now let's directly jump into it. Let me quickly record this so that you will understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, so you have two buttons over here. Just click record and select the screen over here. Now it will pop up this kind of a screen, and then you need to select the entire screen and select this screen. Once you select it, and this is me. So what I'll be doing is that I'll be going here and hit this record button. Hi programmer. So in the next video, what I'll be doing, I'll be teaching you how to learn Node.js with MongoDB with Docker and how to deploy that one on AWS. So I'll be having like multiple steps over here. We'll see that what is like how to create simple express API with a simple project structure. Then we'll create a different stages, dev and prod. We'll try creating modular project structure, which will be used for many companies. These questions will be asked in the interview sections as well. So we'll see that how to use or how to launch MongoDB containers in your local system. Then we'll see that how to write a unit test, integration test cases. Then we'll try Dockerizing entire backend application, not only Docker MongoDB, but also the Express container as well. Then we'll try creating full-fledged CRUD operation for users API. Then finally, we'll try deploying on AWS. So this kind of video will be coming on the YouTube. All right, we got our video transcript over here. So what I'll be doing, I'll be clicking this one and then start, playing this one. It is telling that it is processing. So we just need to wait for some time. All right. So still that is processing. So what I did was let's start playing this one because we can see that is running or not. All right. So see this one. So I ran from here. So if I click and run it. All right. Hi, programmer. So in the next video, what I'll be doing, I'll be teaching you how to create or how to learn Node.js with MongoDB with Docker and how to deploy that one on AWS. So I'll be having like multiple steps over here. I will be going through much deeper inside. We'll see that what is like how to create simple express API with a simple project structure. All right. So you got my point, right? Now, so this is the AI stuff. Now over here, you can just click this remove filler words. So if you click this one, or it will highlight what it will be deleted. So just remove those things, and that's how the entire video will be having like neat and clean explanation of your video. Okay. Now see this one over here. This particular thing like this video is coming, which is I don't like it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just quickly gonna select this and just hit delete this one. My video will be starting from here. Programmer. So in the next video, what I mostly like about Descript is that this feature, which is like edit for clarity. So you can select the intensity, like the low, medium, high, whatever the intensity you want. So if I clicked on low, so it will analyze your video script, and based on this one, it will go through grammatically and then delete whatever keywords we want. So I'll just quickly go and remove ignore text from the script and it will be deleted. Now we got all the script in like more clear way. In the next video, what I'll be doing, I'll be teaching you how to create or how to learn notes. So we can remove that one as well. So if you see this one, shorten word gaps, if you click this one, there is a video or there is a pause more than 1.5 second. Just make that one to 1 second. So I don't have any video which is like I don't have any sentence which is 1.5 seconds longer. That's how it will keep it. If you find like that video or the sentence will be having like more than that one, it will show up there. Now you can click this remove retext. This is one of the great one. And most important part is that we can add chapters. So we can add like how many chapters we want to add. Those chapters can be used in the form of, I don't know, pulling that one on creating blogs or something like that. Now, if you are a YouTuber, this is one of the most funniest parts. So over here, you can directly draft your YouTube description. Okay, so if you click this one and tell that, okay, give me the tag, I already added that, give me tag as well, and mention important keywords in first 200 characters. So if I go and hit it, analyze that video and then see, it has given us all the YouTube description, all the chapters in the YouTube description like that. All good. Now, the second point is that I can go over here and enable the eye contact. So if I'm going or seeing somewhere else, my eye contact will be on the channel itself. If I go back and then click this one more time, I can blur my background. So that is in beta. Sometimes that works, sometimes that doesn't. So I just want to make that one as is. Now, the thing is that what I liked about the second part is that you can draft a social post as well. This social board is helpful because you can draft whatever video you have, and that one will be created like this. And then you can deploy that on, I would say that a medium or something like that, and your video will be found from there. Okay. That's pretty much it. And then you can create highlight reels as well. If you go and submit this one, now see this one, it will be analyzing this one, and then it will be creating that video stuff for you. So I just need to wait for some time, and you can see that how that thing gonna look like. That's how you know you can go and create the videos or something like that. In addition to that, you can draft a type. You can have what else you have. You can summarize whatever you want. You can have your notes available, and that's how you can perform your things. Okay. Now, the second part is that which I love about this one is the AI video maker. Okay. So this is one of the best features, I would say. If I go over here, so it is telling that just upload your file, and based on that file, it will analyze it and then create an AI video or something like that. Yes, we can do that one. We can paste the script. So if I click this one and just add what is Docker, or can you explain me with example? Okay. So I'm just gonna go over here and then making a viral video and quickly just run this one. Now, if you want to select some avatar or something like that, so you can select some avatar, and based on that one will be available for you. For now, I just quickly go and just click without avatar. Then I can select one of those over here and then hit enter, and it will be creating or analyzing the entire context. And based on that one, it will be creating that video. All right, it has created our video. So let me quickly go back over here and edit my video. I just click this one. So we got entire video. It has generated all the images and everything. Let me quickly go and run it.
Welcome to our guide on creating a viral video. Whether you're aiming for fame or sharing a message, going viral amplify your reach exponentially. How do you ensure your content is shared widely?
But one of the best feature which I like about this one is that you just need to click this one, edit a video, and go back to your YouTube channel. If you don't have your YouTube channel, please do create, and do share your link on the comment section below so that I can watch it. And you need to subscribe to my channel as well. So these kind of videos I create. So let me quickly open this one in a new tab, and then let me get this one. So I created this video like Google VO2. So how to create an amazing videos in 5 minutes or something like that. So I created that one using AI itself. If you want to watch this video, I'm going to put that one in the description below. Go and just watch that one. So what it will be doing, it will be going to that video of YouTube and then analyzing that video. Sometimes it gives an error. So this is for Descript, guys. You just need to analyze that why you are giving me those kind of stuff. Those errors are annoying. You need to fix those things for me. So this is how you get your video analyzed on Descript. So just click this. Now it will be analyzing entire audio. So we just need to wait for some time because it is just transcribing the entire video. Once it is transcribed, you will see that all the script written over here. And based on that script, you can go and edit an entire video, something like that. You can create, I would say, clips based on that one. And that's how you can run it. Okay. All right. So if you have a podcast, you can go and run the podcast and something like that. Just quickly, I just quickly gonna give you different projects which I have already created is something like this one. So this one was created using AI.
Standing Supabase, an open source Firebase alternative.
The entire lip of see over there, that entire expression of that girl expressing each and everything. The words and lips are syncing synchronously or something like that. It is like I created multiple chats over here, and then that's how you can create videos. Let me run
Standing
this.
Supabase, an open source Firebase alternative. Supabase is an open
See,
source
this is what-
backend as a service BaaS platform that provides developers with a powerful and flexible alternative to Firebase.
So that's how you can create videos and publish them on there. All right. So what is my review on this one? This is good. This is really good if you want to have your video edited very fast. But honestly speaking, sometimes it lags while we upload longer videos. So that make me trouble. If I have a video more than 15 minutes or 1 hour or something like that, so it will take a lot of time, that annoys. Second point is that there are multiple options you can go through and you can have a look on that one, which are good too. But this one is good for educational purposes. So if you are an educator or want to share your screen and educate something, or most important point is that you want to edit your video based on text. So this is one of the best feature. Script is very costly as compared to the other platforms. So do look at those platform as well. I'm going to go and start creating video on CapCut as well. The same scenario. Okay. Then you can compare this one with that CapCut. And if you are having Mac devices, that MacBook or a MacBook Air or something like that, there is a really good tool called Screen Studio, which I'm creating this particular video. So you can see that it is zooming in, zooming out, or something like that. This video is being created using Screen Studio. So if you have any question, guys, all right, that's it. That's all about the Descript. So if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below. Please do subscribe. That will make a lot of difference to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you around. Bye bye.